Beneath the waves of the Maldives lies one of Earth's most extraordinary creations, the coral reef. Made up of millions of tiny living animals called coral polyps, these reefs form vast underwater cities that protect islands and shelter countless marine species. But these fragile ecosystems are under threat. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching. Pollution, careless tourism, and overfishing disrupt their delicate balance. Around the world, coral reefs are disappearing faster than ever before. Yet there is hope. By reducing waste, protecting marine life, and choosing sustainable habits, we can give our reefs a chance to recover. Even small actions, taken together, can create a wave of change. At Island Luxury Maldives, we believe in restoration, not just admiration. Our coral restoration project brings new life to the ocean, one fragment, one frame, one future at a time. Together, we can protect this wonder for our oceans, our islands, and generations to come. Join us in reviving the reef. Island Luxury Maldives, where paradise heals the ocean.